Renit is finally over, and I hope all of you have taken a week to relax because you truly deserve that break. And now it's time to focus on what comes next. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Ruby Yadav, currently doing MBBS at Government Medical College. Many students think that after the exam, they just have to wait for their result. But actually, this is the very important phase of your medical journey. The decisions you make right now, like keeping your all documents ready, understanding the process of counseling, and choosing the right colleges can make your admission process much smoother. So in this video, I will guide you through everything step by step in the simplest way possible. So the first thing I want to tell you that stop thinking about the exam anymore. Some students are checking their answer keys again and again. They are discussing with their friends. But trust me, this will not change your score anymore. If you have already checked your expected score, that's enough. And now your focus should be on the next step because counseling is just as important as the exam. So now let's talk about the documents. So many students wait until the counseling and then they panic because they can't find the important documents. So keep these documents ready from now because some of them take time to get issued. Having everything prepared in advance will save you from last minute stress during counseling. Now let's understand the counseling process in a very simple way. Clearing the exam alone does not get you a medical seat. You have to take part in counseling process. During the counseling process, you register online, fill your college choices, lock your choices, wait for the seat allotment and then report to the allotted college. And that's how you finally get admission. So don't ignore the counseling process. It is very important process. You should know everything about the counseling process. Now many students get confused between All India Counseling and State Quota Counseling. It is actually very simple. All India Counseling allows you to compete for the seats across the country, while State Counseling is mainly for colleges in your own state. For participating in State Quota Counseling, you must have domicile certificate of that particular state. Most of the students can participate in both if they have domicile certificate. So don't miss any counseling that you are eligible for. And the next thing you have to do is start making list of colleges. Check whether it is government or private, college fees, hostel facilities, distance from your home, last year closing ranks. So when your counseling starts, you already know which college you want. And the next thing you have to keep checking official updates. Many students depend only on social media. And that's okay for updates, but please verify every information through official counseling websites. And the most important advice, while waiting for the counseling, use this time very wisely. Don't waste all your time. Spend this time with your family because this time will never repeat. ये वाला टाइम इतना रिलैक्सिंग फेज होता है ना लाइफ का, इतना प्रीशियस टाइम होता है ना कि ये वापस आपकी लाइफ में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि इसके बाद इतना आप नहीं रह पाओगे अपने घर वालों के साथ. एक बार मेडिकल कॉलेज में पहुंच जाओगे तो आप घर पे 5-10 दिन के लिए ही जा पाओगे, इससे ज़्यादा के लिए नहीं जा पाओगे. तो इस टाइम को अच्छे से यूज़ करो. एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु मे नॉट गेट सिलेक्टेड or may not get their dream colleges. Please don't lose hope. One exam can never decide your entire life. If becoming a doctor is still your dream, please don't give up. Learn from this experience, work even harder and come back stronger. And if you feel this field is not the right path for you anymore, that's completely okay. There are many other career options where you can build a successful future. So take some time, do proper research and choose the right path of your interest. No matter what you decide, believe in yourself, keep moving forward. Your journey doesn't end here. And if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, please contact me personally on Telegram. I will guide you till counseling.